We had a little off-camera accident. I'm currently here at the Serrano forest with Noam, and our goal for today is to get as many moody forest shots as we can get. The problem is that earlier today it was pretty grey and dark, and then the sun came out, so it's going to be a bit difficult to get moody shots, but we're gonna do our best and see what we can do. I found this paddle over here and I'm going to use it to get a photo of Noam with some reflections to make it a little bit more interesting. רואה את המעבר הזה עם הסלע? לא, ימינה? כן.
עוד למעלה?
כן, טיפה.
וואו, איזה טובה יפה. We have this small pool here and these trees, and they look very symmetrical and you can't really see it from this angle, but if I shoot a certain way the sun really shines through them and it looks very cool with the reflection and the symmetry of the trees. So what we're gonna do, Noam is going to walk somewhere over there. I'm gonna get inside the water and then I'm gonna take some shots and hopefully it will be worth it.
Can't believe I'm doing this for a photo.
Perfect for the shot, huh guys? Okay. Okay, maybe this was a mistake, but I think the shot turned out pretty good. It was worth it. I think it will be a very cool photo of Noam walking, because we have a lot of leading lines because of these branches, and then the colors here are very nice, so we're gonna try to do that. We had a little off-camera accident, and instead of Noam walking the log, I'm gonna be walking on it. This is way more difficult than it looks. Okay, so we're pretty much done with this location. Noam did a great job, got some very awesome photos of me. In general, I think we're just gonna look around, see if we can get more shots. If not, we're just gonna head back home. But even though this shoot was pretty short, it was also pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed watching it. We're done, and it's gotten
very dark, so we can barely see where we're walking. But the shoot was good though. Whoa, now את בסדר? Now I'm almost fell.
So, what do you want to say about this shoot? Honestly, it was just a very good shoot. I think we managed to get some very nice shots. It was quick, easy. I think this video is about like 5 minutes long by now. And that's really good because sometimes you just come to the location, get what you want, and leave. And this is exactly what happened today. And I'm just very happy with it. Noam did an incredible job. As always, she's just such a professional and talented model. It's always a pleasure shooting with her, so thank you, Noam. I think you sort of figured it out by now, but we kind of ditched the moody edit idea just because the sun was out and it complemented the photos a bit more to be edited like a sunny fall day than a dark and moody photo. So I did try to make some moody edits in some of the photos, but I just liked the way they looked with a fall sunny edit more. So let me know down in the comments below which one do you prefer, because both are good in my opinion. I just like the fall ones a little bit more. I think I said it like 5 times already. So yeah. Other than that, I'm pretty much out of words. I just hope you enjoyed watching this video. Maybe learned something from it. Maybe it helped you pass some time. I don't know. If you want to help me out and show some support, you can leave a like on this video, subscribe, ring the bell, maybe follow me on Instagram, do whatever you want. I'll appreciate it. And that's it. It's been awesome hanging out with you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
אני נשבעת לך שזה לא מצלם לי. אוף, לא רצה.